Memories are an extremely important aspect of each and every one of us and help us define who we are as well as the person that we will later become. It is therefore essential that we keep our minds as healthy as possible and hold on tightly to the memories that we have. So how do we do this? Writing down stuff. This is a great method for helping you to remember things. Once you have written what you are trying to remember down, you only need to remember to keep track of that piece of paper. It is also useful because you won't have to clog up your own brain with these thoughts and memories, and it'll be free to focus on other things while the piece of paper takes care of the important information. Please bear in mind though that if you lose that piece of paper or it gets inadvertently destroyed, then you may be screwed. So please be sure to take good care of it. Cover your head with bubble wrap. It is vital to protect the brain as it is the organ that controls the memories and other information. If it gets damaged, then the memories that were previously stored up may then be lost. Therefore, you should then consider protecting your head at all costs, particularly if it is a weak head to begin with. Use several layers of bubble wrap and wrap it around your head. Just make sure that you can still breathe, otherwise you could suffocate and die, and your memories may then disappear. It is also advisable to avoid headbutting things, banging your head on walls, and slamming a hammer across your skull. Thinking. Some people will say the more you use your brain, the more you will use it all up. This is actually false information. In fact, you want to use your brain as much as possible to keep it alert and healthy. When you think, you can help trigger memories that you had not thought about for a while, and even remember memories that you previously thought were lost. The best place for thinking is somewhere quiet, away from other people who could distract you, and in a stress-free environment. Get enough sleep. You want to aim to sleep at least 2 hours a night. Any less than that and you may end up feeling a little sluggish and zombie-like afterwards. Your memories may be greatly affected too, as you'll be too tired to remember things. Similarly, if you sleep in excess of 12 hours every night, you won't have a lot of time in the day to remember things before you end up sleeping again. Therefore, the optimum amount of time sleeping should be around 8 hours, and this should give you plenty of time for you to recap your memories and sustain them. So that is the best ways to look after your memories and make them last. If you are interested to know, I don't actually follow any of these methods myself because I have been too busy bashing in my skull with this hammer, and therefore keep forgetting to do them, but hopefully you will not fall into the same situation as me. Good luck with your remembering, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.